Today, let's introduce the newly added features of Flow. To begin with, we drag a rectangle from the Flow library. Then select the connector mode. When the cursor moves to the connector on the right side of the rectangle, you will see a dashed rectangle and a connector line appear. Clicking on it will add a new rectangle and a connector line. Similarly, you can easily add multiple rectangles and connector lines in the same manner. If you press Shift plus Option plus Command keys simultaneously and then press the arrow keys, you can add new rectangles in the corresponding direction. Using these shortcuts, you can continuously add multiple rectangles, which is very useful for creating complex flowcharts. Moreover, if you hold down a connection point, drag to draw a line, and then release, you can select a shape. After selecting the shape, it will be added. We can utilize this function to quickly add multiple different shape nodes. It's very convenient. Now, you can add connector to any edge of a shape. When the mouse moves to the edge of a shape, you can see a solid dot appearing in the cursor. Drag the mouse to the edge of another shape, and you'll see a solid dot indicating the cursor position. Release the mouse, and a connector line will be added. You can change the type of the connector line, such as a straight line. Through this method, you can connect any part of different shapes. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.